Hi everyone, Monisha here. In this video, I will be completing exercise 3.6, in that only question 1 to question 4 of first main. Here 8 problems are there. In this video, I will be completing only 4 problems. And this 3.6 is the last exercise of pair of linear equations. So moving on to the exercise 3.6. Here we need to solve the pair of equations by reducing them to a pair of linear equations. Okay, I will tell you how to do that. Here the first question is 1 by 2x plus 1 by 3y is equal to 2. The second equation is 1 by 3x plus 1 by 2y is equal to 13 by 6. Okay, so here we need to reduce the form into another pair of equations, that is, let 1 by x, here you can see 1 by x fraction is there, 1 by x and 1 by y. So instead of 1 by x, we need to take it as any variable, let it be p, and instead of 1 by y, reduce it to q. So it can be any variable, either p, a, b, x, y, anything we can take. Okay, here 1 by x is taken as p and 1 by y is taken as q. Okay, the equation will become, so instead of 1 by x, it will become p by 2. Okay, so 1 by x is p, so p will become here, p will be the numerator, and by 2 plus q by 3 is equal to 2 again. So this will be the new equation. Again, p by 3 plus q by 2 is equal to 13 by 6. So this will be the new equation. Again, we need to simplify it to a simplest form. Okay, so that we can solve the equation clearly. And so in the first equation, okay, p by 2 plus q by 3 is equal to 2. Here the LCM will be 6. Okay, 2 3s are 6. The LCM will be 6. So 2 3s are 6. 3 into p is 3p plus 3 2s are 6. 2 into q is 2q is equal to 2. Next, here this cross multiplication happens. So 3p plus 2q is equal to 6 2s are 12. So this is the equation which we are going to solve. So let this be equation 3. Okay, next equation 2 we have to reduce to this form. Equation 2 is p by 3 plus q by 2 is equal to 13 by 6. Again, the LCM is 6 itself. 3 2s are 6. 2 into p is 2p plus 2 3s are 6. 3 into q is 3q is equal to 13 by 6. Here 6 and 6 get cancels each other. The remaining equation will become 2p plus 3q is equal to 13. So this is the second equation. Okay, so this equation, let this be equation 4. So let this be equation 4. So now we have to solve equation 3 and 4. Okay, solve 3 and 4. So equation 3 is 3p plus 2q is equal to 12, and equation 4 is 2p plus 3q is equal to 13. Here p term and q term both are different. We need to make either p term or q term similar so that we can cancel and find out the next term. Okay, so I will be multiplying equation 1 by 2, okay, this term, and equation 2 by 3. Okay, so 2 3s are 6p plus 2 2s are 4q is equal to 2 into 12. 12 2s are 24. Next, 3 2s are 6p plus 3 3s are 9q is equal to 13 3s are 39. Here the p term became similar. So at this stage we can cancel one of the term and find out the another term. Okay, here plus 6p and minus 6p get cancels each other. Here plus into minus. So unlike signs means we need to subtract it. So 9q minus 4q is 5q. Larger number is 9 and the sign is negative. So retain that negative sign. Next, plus into minus. So unlike sign means we need to subtract it. So it will become 15 and larger number sign is minus. Okay. So minus minus get cancels each other. Remaining q is equal to 15 divided by 5. So 5 ones are 5 3s are. So the value of q is 3. So this we have to, this q is equal to 3, we have to substitute in equation 3 or equation 4. I will be taking equation 3 here. So equation 3 is 3p plus 2q is equal to 12. So 3p plus 2 into, instead of q we have to substitute 3 here. 3p plus 2 3s are 6 is equal to 12. 3p is equal to 12 minus 6. 3p is equal to 12 minus 6 is 6. So 3 ones are 3 2s are. So p is equal to 2. Right? So q is equal to 3 and p is equal to 2. But this is not the value we need to find out. We need to find out the value for x and y. So we know that p has been substituted for the value 1 by x. Okay. So p is equal to 1 by x, whereas the p value is 2. So 2 is equal to 1 by x. If 1 by x is equal to p 2, then x, if you take the reciprocal, x will become 1 by 2. So this is the value for x. So next, q. So q is equal to, what we have substituted, q is equal to 1 by y. So q is equal to 1 by y. The value of q is 3. 3 is equal to 1 by y. But we need the value of y here. So if we take a reciprocal, then it will become 1 by 3. So y is equal to 1 by 3. So the value for x and y is, x is equal to 1 by 2 and y is equal to 1 by 3. So this is the way of doing this problem when they have given the numbers in fraction and they ask you to solve for x and y. Okay. First you need to reduce it to some variable and you have to equate it by same elimination method. You have to find it out, and finally you need to substitute it to the value which you have taken in the starting place. Okay. I hope you understood this. Moving on to the second problem. It is same as that of the first one. First we need to reduce whatever is there in the fractional form. Okay. So let 1 by root x is equal to p. I am taking p itself, and 1 by root y is equal to q. Okay. So what the equation will become? It will become, see here, in the previous problem it was 1 by 2x. Okay. At that time we have took p by 2. In the denominator the 2 was there. Here it is 2 by root x. Okay. Then when we take 1 by root x as p, then this 2 will remain here itself. So it will become 2p plus 3q is equal to 2. In the similar manner, 4p minus 9q is equal to minus 1. So this is the 2 equation. Okay. So this will be equation 1 and this will be equation 2. Here again the terms are not similar. We have to make either p or q similar to each other so that we have to cancel it. Okay. So for first equation I will be multiplying it with 2. Since 2 2s are 4, one term will become equal. Okay. So 2 2s are 4p plus 2 3s are 6q is equal to 2 2s are 4. Write the second equation as it is. Okay. Next, change the sign. The first term, the p term will cancel each other, plus 4p minus 4p. Here plus into plus is addition. We need to add it when like signs come. Okay. 9 plus 6q is, 9q plus 6q is 15q. Larger number sign is plus itself is equal to plus into plus is plus. So 4 plus 1 is 5. So q is equal to 5 divided by 15. So 5 ones are 5 3s are. So the value of q is 1 by 3. So this is the value of q. So next we need to substitute this q value to equation 1 or equation 2. So I will be using equation 1 itself. So equation 1 is 2p plus 3q is equal to 2. So 2p plus 3, instead of q we need to substitute 1 by 3 is equal to 2. 3 3 get cancels each other. So remaining is 2p plus 1 is equal to 2. So 2p is equal to 2 plus 1. If I shift this side, it will become minus 1. So 2p is equal to 1. So p is equal to 1 by 2. So we got the value for p and q. So but we have substituted p as 1 by root x and q as 1 by root y. Okay. But p is equal to 1 by root x. So what is the value of p here? We got p as 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by root x. So here we need to solve for x and y. We don't want this root. Okay. So at this stage we need to square it. Squaring on both sides. So squaring on both sides. So 1 by 2 whole square is equal to 1 by root x whole square. So when you square it, so this root and square root cancels each other. So 1 by 2 square means 1 by 4, because 1 square is 1 and 2 square is 4, is equal to 1 by x. So when we take reciprocal, it will become x is equal to 4. So the value of x is 4. In the same method, q is 1 by root y, where q is 1 by 3 is equal to 1 by root y. Again squaring on both sides. So it will become 1 by 3 whole square is equal to 1 by root y whole square. Here square root cancels each other. So 1 by 9 is equal to 1 by y. So when I take a reciprocal of it, it will become y is equal to 9. Fine. Therefore, the value of x is 4 and the value of y is 9. I hope you understood this. Moving on to the third problem. The third problem is 4 by x plus 3 by is equal to 14. 3 by x minus 4y is equal to 23. Here only one term as given in a fraction form. Okay, so we need to reduce only this 1 by x term. Okay, so let 1 by x is equal to p and let it be y as it is. Okay, so there is no problem if y is there. So 1 by x is equal to p. So the equation will become 4p plus 3y is equal to 14 and 3p minus 4y is equal to 23. So again we have to make either of the one equation similar. So I will be multiplying first equation by 3 and second equation by 4. Okay, so this is first equation and this will be second equation. Okay, so 3 4s are 12p plus 3 3s are 9y is equal to 14 3s are 42. So 4 3s are 12p minus 4 4s are 16y is equal to 12, 4 2 8, 9. Okay, so here next change the sign. So here 12p and 12p cancels each other. Here like signs are there, plus into plus plus. So when you add it, it will become 25y is equal to, so here plus into minus minus. So when you subtract it, it will become minus 50. Okay, so y is equal to minus 50 divided by 25. So 25 2s are 50. So y is equal to minus 2. So the value of y we got directly, the y value is minus 2 itself. There is no need of substituting it to any other variable. Okay, so here now we have to substitute this to equation 1 or equation 2. I will be taking equation 1 itself. So equation 1 is 4p plus 3y is equal to 14. So 4p plus 3, instead of y we need to write minus 2 is equal to 14. 4p plus into minus minus 3 2s are 6 is equal to 14. 4p is equal to 14 plus 6. So 4p is equal to 20. P is equal to 20 divided by 4. 4 5s are. So the value of p is 5. The value of p is 5, but p is equal to 1 by x. So the value of p is 5. Therefore, if we take reciprocal, the x will be 1 by 5. Okay. So therefore, x is equal to 1 by 5 and y is equal to minus 2. I hope you understood. moving on to the last question of this session. So here it is little bit lengthier, so please concentrate. So 5 by x minus 1 plus 1 by y minus 2 is equal to 2. 6 by x minus 1 minus 3 by y minus 2 is equal to 1. Okay, here let p is equal to 1 by x minus 1. We have to take p as 1 by x minus 1 and q as 1 by y minus 2. Okay, so then the equation will become 5p plus q. Okay, here 1 is there, so we can write just q here is equal to 2, and next is 6p minus 3q is equal to 1. Okay, so next we need to make either p term or q term equal to each other. So I will be multiplying the first equation by 6 and second equation by 5. So 6 5s are 30p plus 6 into q 6q is equal to 6 2s are 12. 5 6s are 30p minus 5 3s are 15q is equal to 5 1s are 5. Next change the sign. Okay, so plus 30p minus 30p get cancels each other. Here plus into plus, we need to do addition when like sides appear. So 15 plus 6 is 21q is equal to plus into minus minus. So 12 minus 5 is 7, larger number sign is plus. Okay, so q is equal to 7 divided by 21. 7 1s are 7 3s are. So the value of q is 1 by 3. Okay, so we need to substitute this q value to either equation 1 or equation 2. So again I will be taking equation 1 here. So equation 1 is 5p plus q is equal to 2. So 5p plus, instead of q we need to write 1 by 3 is equal to 2. 5p is equal to 2 minus 1 by 3. We need to take LCM here. 5p is equal to 3 is LCM. When I take 3 LCM, 1 3s are 3, 3 2s are 6, minus 3 1s are 3, 1 1s are 1. So 5p is equal to 6 minus 1 is 5 divided by 3. 5 5 get cancels. Next p is equal to 1 by 3. So q and p both are 1 by 3. But again we need to find the value for x here. Okay, p is equal to 1 by x minus 1, where p is 1 by 3 is equal to 1 by x minus 1. So when we take reciprocal it will become x minus 1 is equal to 3. So I will shift this 1 that side, it will become 3 plus 1. Therefore x is equal to 4. So the value of x is 4. Next q is equal to 1 by y minus 2. Q value is also 1 by 3 is equal to y minus 1 by y minus 2. By taking reciprocal it will become 3 is equal to y minus 2. So by shifting it to left hand side, 3 plus 2 is equal to y, therefore y is equal to 5. Okay, so therefore the value of x is 4 and the value of y is 5. So while doing problems, please concentrate and do step by step, so it will not go wrong. Okay, I hope you understood these problems. If you have any doubts or queries, please comment me, and thanks for watching my video.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time.